In this video, I'm going to talk about interior angles of a triangle. What are interior angles? Interior angles are the angles inside a triangle. So we have three interior angles inside a triangle. When we add these three interior angles, we get 180 degrees. Let's say this angle is X and the other two are Y and Z. If I cut this triangle into three separate angles, from here, here, and from here, and then arrange them right next to each other on a straight line, the sum of these three angles will be exactly a straight angle, that is 180 degrees. So remember this theorem. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let's take this triangle ABC. According to this theorem, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB equal to 180 degrees. Now let's use this theorem to solve some problems. Let's start with a simple problem. Find the magnitude of angle ABC. Angle ABC is here. Now here you are given two angles, 60 degrees and 40 degrees. Then you are asked to find the third angle which is missing here. Now we know, according to our theorem, the sum of the interior angles should be equal to 180 degrees. In this case, our interior angles are the angle which we should find, ABC, also 40 degrees and 60 degrees. So let's write this as an equation. Angle ABC plus 40 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now let's solve this equation and find the value of angle ABC. 40 plus 60 is 100. So ABC plus 100 degrees equal to 180 degree. Then angle ABC equals to 180 minus 100. So it will become 80 degrees. Angle ABC equals to 80 degrees. Let's take another example. Now here you need to find the value of X. We can see that these two angles are equal and it is unknown. Now we should find it. So let's apply our theorem related to the interior angles of a triangle. X plus X plus 110 degrees should be equal to 180 degrees. Now this is a very simple equation. Here you need to solve this equation and find the value for X. X plus X is 2X. So 2X plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Let's transfer this 110 to the other side. So it will become minus 110. 2X equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Here you will get 70 degrees when you deduct 110 from 180. And 2X equals to 70 degrees now. Now we get value for x, which is 35 degrees. Let's move to another example. Now you need to find the value of a. Here all three interior angles are unknown. So let's write the equation. A plus 2a plus 3a equals to 180 degrees. A plus 2a is 3a, 3a plus 3a is 6a. So 6a equals to 180 degrees. Now let's transfer this 6 to the other side. So a will become 180 divided by 6. You get 30 degrees. Angle A is 30 degrees. What about this example? Shall we find value for x? So we know that according to our theorem, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here, what are our interior angles? This one is x minus 30 degrees. Here it's x plus 10 degrees. And this angle is 2x. So let's write an equation. 2x plus x plus 10 degrees plus x minus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Now let's simplify the like terms. 2x plus x, which is 3x. Then 3x plus x is 4x. Then plus 10 and minus 30 is minus 20 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So let's send this minus 20 degrees to the other side. So it will become 180 degrees plus 20 degrees. So 4x equals to 180 plus 20 is 200 degrees. So how much is x? X is 200 divided by 4, we get 50 degrees. X is 50 degrees. Shall we check our answer is correct or not? Actually, we can cross-check our answer. Since x is 50 degrees, this angle should be 50 minus 30 degrees. So it will become 20 degrees. And this particular angle is 2 times x, that means 2 times 50 degrees. So it is 100 degrees. And this particular angle is x plus 10 degrees, that means 50 plus 10 degrees. So it will become 60 degrees. So what are our interior angles? 60 degrees, 100 degrees, and 20 degrees. At these three angles and see, it should be 180 degrees. 20 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 60 degrees. 20 plus 100 is 120 and 120 plus 60 is 180 degrees. Yes, our answer is correct. X should be 50 degrees. Let's take another example. Now let's try to find x here. In this case, you need to have some extra knowledge. Now, how do you find x? You know this particular angle is 40 degrees and this angle you should find. And here the value is missing. Actually, this angle should be exactly 55 degrees. Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of these two straight lines. Here, this straight line and this particular straight line. So remember, the vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of two straight lines are equal. So here it's 55 degrees, here also 55 degrees. Now we can easily find the value for x. So let's write this equation. X plus 55 degrees plus 40 degrees should be equal to 180 degrees. 55 plus 40 is 95 degrees. So x plus 95 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So what's the value for x? X is 180 degrees minus 95 degrees. It's 85 degrees. X is 85 degrees. This is our final example. Let's try to solve this. We had to find x again. Once again, in this case, we need to have some extra knowledge. Did you notice this? These two lines are actually parallel. So we know that when two straight lines are parallel, intersected by a transversal, the alternate angles formed are equal. So this is our transversal, and these two green lines are the parallel straight lines. So this particular angle should be equal to the angle here. And therefore, this angle should be 65 degrees. Because these two angles are alternate angles. Now we can easily find the value for x. X plus 65 degrees plus 70 degrees should be equal to 180 degrees. 65 plus 70 is 135 degrees. So x plus 135 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is 180 minus 135. You will get 45 degrees. Now you know the theorem related to interior angles of a triangle and how to apply this theorem to find missing angles of a triangle. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.